Hmm. Fireworks in Israel's sky shattered the Iron Dome's line. Who's the terror? Who's the foe? The world has clear eyes and will know. Pop in the bubble of its grace. It turns out that the God you praise only has one tribe in his embrace. Never planned on saving all the human race. Fireworks in Israel's sky. Is it judgment's bell or a mournful cry? It's the sound of Gaza's souls in pain, and empires crumbling, curtain call and rain. Fireworks in Israel's sky make the people question, tell me why. The backward people also want to see the day not by someone's will be thrown away. When your tech is used for such mass overkill, how is that not savage? Standing still. Fireworks in Israel's sky. Is it judgment's bell or a mournful cry? It's the sound of Gaza's souls in pain, and empires crumbling, curtain call and rain. Fireworks in Israel's sky has shattered all the demons in the mind. Once believed the beacon's holy light. Look into its shadow, darkness you will find. Cannot learn to live with them in peace. You will wander on and in your pain